and a dream was born in you. You hope and pray that come the day you'll see that dream come true. With every passing moment, you begin to understand that you're bound for glory land. With a hunger in your heart and with fire in your soul, with passion rising high, you know that you can reach your goal. Reach your goal. Believe in what you do, and you've the strength to see it through. On the road to glory land, glory land, glory land. And I say, glory land, in glory land. It's in your heart, it's in your hand. In glory land, glory land. You're here in glory land. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is glory land. Glory. As the day gets ever closer, you are reaching for the sky. The flame that burn inside are the flames that never die. When you start to